An employee exit checklist is a structured tool used by HR and management to ensure all necessary steps are followed when an employee leaves the company. This includes recovering assets, revoking access, and completing final documentation. It helps maintain consistency, accountability, and compliance. So, let's start exploring how to use this Excel-based exit checklist template. Let's start by going through the checklist report in the next worksheet. This report is retrieving data from the checklist records table using Excel lookup functions. I have included command buttons for saving the report as either a PDF or Word document. I have also added functional buttons to streamline your workflow. The search button helps you quickly locate specific employee records without manually scrolling through the entire dataset, saving valuable time and effort. The Add Row button instantly inserts a new row for entering employee data without disrupting the existing structure or formatting of the table. The Delete Row button allows you to easily remove incorrect or outdated employee entries, keeping the worksheet clean and well organized. The Save as PDF button enables you to generate a professional and printable version of the evaluation report for secure archiving or sharing. The Save as Word button converts your Excel report into a Word document, offering flexibility for editing and formatting outside of Excel. The Filter Data button allows you to display only information based on specific criteria, making data analysis and decision-making more efficient and targeted. I have also included a macro that displays the current time, along with a command button that allows you to set an alert message. So this is the main data entry table where we manually input employee exit checklist information for each record in this worksheet. Each generated report corresponds to a unique row of employee data within this structured table. Above the main data table, there is a summary section displaying key performance indicators linked to the entries from the main table. We can calculate the number of employees who have remained with the company by specifying a date range in cells G4 and G5, then view the calculated results directly in cell H4. We can also filter and view employees who have exited from a specific department within a selected date range using the designated summary cells. Having an automated employee exit checklist template at work streamlines the entire offboarding process by saving time, ensuring consistency, and reducing manual errors. It centralizes all exit-related information, making it easy to track, manage, and retrieve data when needed. With built-in features like search, add, delete, and export buttons, it enhances workflow efficiency and allows for quick updates. The template also improves compliance by ensuring that all required steps are followed, while summary tables and filters provide valuable insights into exit trends and department-specific data. Additionally, it supports better coordination between HR and other departments and enables the generation of professional reports for documentation and analysis. In conclusion, this employee exit checklist template is a powerful tool designed to help HR professionals efficiently track and manage employee offboarding activities. It streamlines the process, ensures nothing is missed, and provides clear reporting for better decision-making. Please watch my HR Operations Workbook tutorial to see exactly how these buttons function in real scenarios. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tools and tips. Thank you for watching.